Gypsy came to us all the way from Shivamogga, a rugged mission with history, now reborn into something truly special. Welcome to MALNAD Automotive KOPPA, where we turn raw metal into road-ready legends. The customer from Shivamogga trusted us with this Gypsy. It had all the potential, solid chassis, great bones, but it needed a new life. Our mission was very clear: restore it, upgrade it, and build it something ready for both city road and forest trails. We started from scratch, stripping it down and treated the chassis, rebuilt the engine and made sure every part meets our quality standards. Custom suspensions, new tires, full repaint, brand new wiring, interiors, mechanical upgrades. Everything has been touched by our team. Some key features in this build: Lexus metallic weight paint, custom rally cabin with a roll gauge, power steering, 4x4 CST Dragon tires with 15-inch alloys, brand new dashboard and accessories, new seats and all brand new interiors. We don't just restore, we upgrade it for the future. We proudly handed over this beast back to its owner in Shivamogga, now better, stronger and ready for adventure. If you have got a Gypsy or any other 4x4 vehicles and you want to give it a new life, we have got you covered. Just like this customer, bring it to us at MALNAD Automotive KOPPA and we'll take care of the rest. Subscribe to see more builds like this, and if you are ready to own one of these builds, reach out to us today. Built in KOPPA, driven everywhere. This is MALNAD Automotive KOPPA. You can see a subscribe button down there, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel and also go to Instagram, follow us. Thank you, have a nice day, see you.